This industry is an interesting one. You're often at the forefront of technology, and you're really enabling the economy to continue rolling. What a lot of people don't realize is, they click ship, and then their package appears. And how does that happen? Well, there's a lot that goes into how that happens. And I think Mouser does a really great job of getting items out the door same day. That matters. Those are the companies that people keep coming back to.
Mouser is a global authorized distributor of semiconductors and electronic components. We have around 1,200 manufacturers, and our specialty really lies in new product introduction to support the newest technologies that are out there. On any given day, we consolidate and ship 25,000 different orders. I'm responsible for all of outbound, order pulling, and shipping departments. I help design and implement all of the automation we have in the warehouse.
EuroSort is a company, we focus on unit and shipping sortation. Where we differentiate ourselves is in getting the most amount of destinations in a smaller footprint, having creative chute designs that really allow for our customers to handle whatever they have on one sorter, and is really being creative and coming up with something that works just for them, not just a let's see if it fits for you.
When we decided to work with EuroSort, their technology stood out amongst all the competitors in the market as somebody that has almost unlimited sorts. They really specialize in reducing the effort in sorting basically anything we have in the building.
Mouser has such an extensive SKU base, up to 1.3 million active SKUs, and so the put away process was pretty labor intensive. One of the systems that we are currently installing for order consolidation, it's going to have up to 12,000 unique destinations, which really is pushing the boundaries of what we've seen really anyone on the market do, and it is our longest sorter at over half a mile of track, and the flexibility that we were able to design into that's really, as a sales guy, is really impressive.
One of the things I really enjoy about working with EuroSort is their ability to digest different ideas. They can make those simple things happen right away, or they can take those insane ideas that everybody thinks will never work, and they can simplify them down to a really good medium that accomplishes what we want to do, but in a simpler way so that we can move everything forward.
With this new order consolidation sorter, given the length, given the number of destinations, the question came up, is this even possible? Our equipment can do it, but can our controls infrastructure do it? So we sat down with Beckhoff, we had a whole discussion, and there was really no concern. Their team showed us this is how it can work, this is how you can do it, this is the equipment you're gonna need, and really helped us get comfortable with the fact that this was indeed possible and how to make it a reality. One of the things that we really value about the Beckhoff hardware is the speed. We're sending thousands of messages a second to make all of these systems work. We're logging every single event that happens on the sorter, every single light that gets turned on, every door that moves, and all of that comes with a bandwidth cost. Even with 20 to 60,000 devices on the network, one Beckhoff PLC running TwinCat can still handle an entire system. We've never reached any limitations with the Beckhoff equipment.
Because of EuroSort's innovative approach, we were able to really take a lot of the man hours out of consolidating an order, put those man hours into other tasks in the building.
It's really taking advantage of a lot of the Beckhoff architecture to handle the throughput. It's going to have 35,000 trays per hour. All of those could be filled with items. So really pushing the boundaries of high-speed sortation. We've worked with Beckhoff over the last 15, 20 years. They've always been a really great partner for us, not only allowing us to really push the limits of what our sorters can do and our hardware can do, but also in really providing our customers with the throughput, the speed, and the time that they need.
Mouser's business is constantly changing. It's always fluid, so our ability to come up with ideas and our ability to ask tough questions about technologies and processes, we're never scared of that, and we're always going to jump right in it. And one of the cool things about EuroSort is their flexibility to what we need and what we need to change to. And it will absolutely transform the way we fulfill orders.
Without Mouser being willing to push the limits and think outside the box and try new things, none of this would have really come into fruition. Working with the Mouser team, working with the Beckhoff team to even see if this is possible, the partnership has been really incredible.